Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fucking night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys.
Okay. What is up, daughters of the Sugar and Gemini, and I'm back again with another video. I have been gone for a whole month of August. I didn't even do my hair. I probably wore makeup 2 times the whole month. And honey, it just been a time. My nails look a mess. Like, listen, okay, I started off the month with COVID and it just was like, girl, it threw my whole mojo off. Well, today, y'all, by the time y'all see this video, I don't know if y'all see the other video, but whatever it is, I'm getting ready to go on a trip, and we're getting ready to go to the mall, and I'm vlogging that for y'all, but baby was like, listen, you only got 30 minutes to get ready, and I'm like, huh? Good thing is, baby, the face is already beat, okay? But the hair is not, okay? And I'm in the process of regrowing my hair back, and it's not giving what it's supposed to give with my hair growing back. So I was like, 30 minutes? Like, I can't even put a wig on in 30 minutes, okay? A good wig at that. But I remember that when Foxy sent me over this 4x4 glueless, okay? Y'all know they always say glueless, everything is glueless these days, and it don't be glueless. But they sent me over this 4x4 14-inch glueless bob, and I'm like, okay, that might be perfect for me to throw on. I can still look presentable. So my gift or my gab today is to see if I can actually put this on glueless and to see if I can do it in less than 30 minutes. I want to set a timer, but I'm not going to set a timer because I don't feel like I need that. I feel like I could do it. But just for reference, it is 11:17, so y'all can see it. Just for reference. And we going to see. I'm going to try my best to do the absolute less, okay, installing this wig. So in the pack, it comes with lashes and a wig cap. It comes with this cute little package, and I like that. And then this is the wig. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I already took the wig out to see what she was giving. Or when she smells like how. Oh, I hate a wig that smells like how. That's crazy, I know. But yeah, this is how she looks. Honey, I don't know. This is curly. It's supposed to be Bodywave. It's straight on this side. It is pre-cut. Okay, I'm not even going to go in and bleach the knots. It comes with a strap, and usually when it has a strap, it does mean that it's going to be snug. So we is gonna see, okay? We gonna see. So let me go ahead and put the strap back on and see what we can do when I figure out where the strap go. I was like, no, now she broke already, girl. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the strap back on. Like that. I think I put it on cricket. Oh, girl. This messing up my time. Okay. So I got the strap on. I'm going to go in because, like I said, I'm not even going to bleach the knots. I'm going to go in, which y'all know this is my favorite pressed powder. It is the Lace Tint by Tashay. I get it from the beauty supply store. Y'all, I always go a shade lighter than you because when you spray it, it's going to make it, milk. Going darker, you will be able to see it, but when you go lighter, it literally brings it to your skin complexion. So that's just a little trick that I try to tell people. So I don't know if y'all can see me doing this, but I'm just kind of going in with this spray, and I'm just going to spray it like that, just on the front. I'm not doing the whole 4x4. I'm just going to do the front. Let me take these glasses off so I can see. Okay, so let's put the wig on. Let's see. I feel like I got this on here cricket, but she gonna have to work with what I got going. Cause, okay. First of all, let's tighten her up a little bit. Cause she's a little loose. So we're just gonna tighten her a little bit. And this is how you get a true glueless. So we tighten her. Oh yeah. Nah, baby. And then we go snap that wig back like that. And then pull this. Ooh. Now, because I want to do the absolute length, I'm not going to do no plucking. Baby, when I tell you, she's snug. I'm going to turn her to the side. Ooh, yeah. She is snug. Now, let me go ahead and get my little 1, 2, 1, 2. I don't know what type of hair this is. Because why is it curly on one side and straight on one side? I do not know. But for the most part, yeah. See? Okay. That's all. She needs a little plucking and a little cutting right here, but for the most part, she alright. Okay, girl, so what you finna see me doing now is going in and customizing it. So anytime that I have a closure wig and I want a side part, I always turn the closure to the side of where I want the part at, because you have more hair versus trying to put it in the middle of your head. So that's just a little pro tip. Like I said, y'all gonna hear me talk about this hair a lot, because I don't know what type of quality of hair this is, but y'all gonna see I digress. It ended up laying down or whatever, but girl, I was like, what is this? What is this? Y'all let me know if y'all know anything about hair. Let me know if y'all know what type of hair this is. Cause like synthetic fibers, like I always have my hot comb turned up to the highest degree, so synthetic fibers would have melted. It didn't melt, so I'm just like, I don't know what this giving, honey. It's giving like back in the day pack hair, you know, that you can do anything to it, but you know it was still synthetic, even though it said 100% human. Yeah, that's what she was giving. But honey, you can see she was coming together right here, baby. She was coming together, okay? So at this point, I'm like, you know what, to get this a little, I'm going to go in and I'm going to go ahead and mold my swoop, baby hairs, whatever you want to call it. This is a little trick. If you don't have a smaller flat iron, you can use gel to mold it down. And just a little bit though, just a little bit. And it's go like curl it like if you had a flat iron. Then I'm going in, giving it a little bump. And as y'all can see, I done told you, I don't know what type of hair this is, what type of fiber. It didn't matter how many times I curled this hair, baby. It was not giving me nothing. I'm like, honey, I don't get it. It was flipping the opposite way, but it still came out good. So, like I said, for $50, honey, you can't beat it. And she still look good. In 20 minutes, honey, I'm like, yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it. Okay, y'all. So, as y'all can see, I just did like a quick little curl with my T3. I'm going to tell y'all right now, I don't think that this is human hair. I don't think, I'm not sure what type of hair it is or what type of fiber it is, because it didn't melt when I put the curler on it. However, it's not curling either, which to me, I don't know what that means. However, for $50, because that's how much it was, it is super cute. You know, like, it's definitely cute. It's giving me business, you know. It's super cute. I'm gonna continue to I'm going to continue to customize it. So I'm going to cut this. Y'all know that my hair is naturally shaved on the side, so it would be better if I had like if I could like make this into a sideburn. However, I'm not about to do that. I molded it with a little bit of edge control first. That way, so cause it's not curling, you know. So that just gave me a little bit of shape. That's a little trick that y'all can use. I'm going with my monkey gunk, and I'm going to mold down. And I still haven't put no glue, no spritz or anything. I haven't did no plucking. Definitely recommend. If this is gonna be like a go-to wig, you know, you can do the whole 10-9 with it. I'm just not going to. But also take into account that I am saying on the record that I do not think that this is human hair. I've already contacted the company and let them know that I will be discussing that in this video, because I'm not in the business of lying. You know, for $50, I think It's a cute number, you know. I think that it's something that person who's on a budget, this would be an affordable option for them. Definitely. Cause like I said, it's super cute. And I think that, like, again, you know, it's one of those things that is, it's like a synthetic. You know, you paying $90 for a synthetic at the house, though. You paying $50 for whatever type of fiber that this is right here. And probably like that fiber like Love Me have, because like I told y'all, Love Me, if y'all watch that video, then y'all know I done told y'all that Love Me is one of those companies that's like, it's definitely not human hair, but I don't know what type of synthetic fiber that they have, because it curls and does the numbers. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that like that, and we're gonna just leave this like this, because at this point, yeah. But I just couldn't get on here and tell y'all like, oh yeah girl, like this is it. Girl, no, this is the perfect hat wig, the perfect wig for a picture, the perfect wig to go to work in, you know. Not your good wig that you go out in. Everybody got wigs like that. I think I have wigs like that. Wigs that I only wear to work. Cause it's like, girl, I don't care about it. If it rain, if it gets sweaty, yeah, I don't care about it. But y'all, it is 11:35 and I'm completely done. Honestly, I'm done. I could walk out the door like this and I still feel like I would be able to get a compliment in this. For me, I am going to go in and just put a little bit of concealer on my part, because that's just me. But for the most part, is it glueless? Definitely. It's super snug. Is it easy to install? This is definitely a beginner friendly wig, if I had to say so myself. Definitely. Definitely. I'm gonna put some right here, just to make it look more natural. But you do not have to do this, as y'all seen before. You don't have to do this step. I'm just doing it because I know that's what I like. And yeah, super cute, super duper cute. I think I'm going to put my glasses back on with this, because I think, oh yes, 11:36 and we're completely done. Period. I told y'all that ain't been 30 minutes. More like 20 minutes. It ain't even been 20 minutes and I'm completely done. Like, literally. And if I had to say so myself, this is super cute. It's super cute. I think in order to achieve this, the only thing that you need is a flat iron. Or you probably get away with doing it with a one curler. You just need something to flatten out the top. Yeah, but this is super cute. Shout out to them. So about this hair, it is from Name-YFOXI on Amazon. It's a wear and go bob human wig human hair. Definitely don't think that. It is pre-cut lace, Bodywave 8D lace, 150% density. I bought this unit for $53.33. It is $49.90. Slow down, Jay. It is $49.49, but with taxes it was $53.33. And it is 2-day shipping. And yeah, so if y'all want this, if y'all want a wig that you can just literally get up, put on, go, definitely go and get this. I have everything that you need in the description bar down below. Overall, if I had to give this a scale, because I didn't have to do no plucking or nothing like that, I'm definitely going to give this a 7 out of 10. And it's because it is truly glueless, no glue on my head. I don't feel like it's going to slide off. Number 2, I do like the fact that, I mean, even though I put heat to it, it came style, basically. And it's just super cute. I think it's super chic. And I think that this is one of those units that I feel like a beginner should have in their collection. So, shout out to Name-YFOXI and shout out to y'all. And it is officially 11:37, so 20 minutes for me to do this whole video from start to finish, and she's cute. So, see y'all in the next one. Let me know in the description bar down below what you think about this wig. If you would get this wig, do you truly think that it is glueless? Or what makes the wig truly glueless besides not putting glue on it? That's stupid. But I want to know because, girl. But yeah, see y'all in the next one.